So in this video, I am going to talk about the parts list for an HTPC build. So Paul's Hardware has been working on his own HTPC, and I kind of threw together my own parts list for a more compact HTPC. Something I noticed about his was that it's still a full tower, uses an ATX motherboard. It's a big computer. I wanted something that's truly HTPC with an HTPC case, and everything. So here's what I went with. With the CPU, I have the Ryzen 5 1600. It's consumes less power and less heat. It's a 65-watt part. So, but it still has 6 cores, so that's why I went with that. Pretty much a no-brainer. It's also the best value CPU, period. This is going to be used with the stock cooler, the Wraith Spire, which I tested in a video, which you can see up here on the top right corner. This is being slotted into the ASRock AB350 Gaming ITX AC motherboard. So really what I wanted is an ITX B350 motherboard with wireless. And there were two options that came up. This was one of them, ASRock, pretty good, so I went with it. The other one I believe was from Gigabyte, but I just went with this ASRock one. It's got some nice features and whatnot. For memory, I have one 8GB stick of memory from G.Skill, the Ripjaws 5 series, but really the point is that it's one 8GB stick, because that gives you upgrade path. It's an ITX motherboard. It only has 2 memory slots. Yeah, my bad. It only has 2 memory slots, so you want an upgrade path, potentially. So that's why I went with a single 8GB stick, and this is going to be mainly used for gaming, so that's why 8GB is enough. SSD, I went with a 1TB SanDisk Ultra 2 SSD. I wanted just SSD, and I wanted at least a terabyte of storage, and this was a great value option that came up. Video card, so pricing is a little weird right now. It's starting to come back down, but it's still a little weird. But I got the EVGA 1063GB gaming version. It has a blower-ish style fan. It's blowery enough. It's the only reasonably priced one right now. Reasonably. It's still kind of ridiculous. I would pay normally, I'd say about $20 to $40 less for a 1063GB. But anyways, 1063GB, you know, you got VR content, no problems there. You could go with something more powerful for more future-proofing, but I just went with the 1063GB. The case here is the Silverstone GD09B HTPC case. So what I like about this case is it looks like something you'd find in a media center. I mean, look at that. But it still has nice airflow options. The entire sides and back are practically open for airflow. Yeah, it's got full height expansion slots, which is, again, very important. Very nice case for this project. Powering it, I have the EVGA BQ 600W. So it's 80 plus bronze, and it's semi-modular. So this was important. It has to be semi-modular. Now, luckily, this case supports ATX power supplies. But semi-modular, so that way I can remove any unnecessary cables. So that's pretty cool. And then the DVD drive, because it is an HTPC case, is the most ridiculous item on this list, but it's the only DVD drive or Blu-ray drive that can play 4K Blu-rays, according to this video right here. And then I did check. So it's $120, but hey, you got 4K Blu-rays. So yeah, some things are a little extreme. Actually, no, it's just the Blu-ray writer. You could save costs on the SSD, go with the cheaper SSD, and use a separate server or a NAS computer. That's what I have personally. I have a NAS computer. And then the Blu-ray drive, you don't necessarily need 4K Blu-ray. You could just get like a $30, $40 one. All in all, this could be well under $1,000. But, you know, hey. This gives you room for local storage of all your files and 4K Blu-rays. So that's really it for this parts list. Pretty short. I think this is a good, except for some of the parts here, value-oriented HTPC. I'm not going extreme in any unnecessary places, except for the Blu-ray drive, of course. But I guess maybe that's why I have room for a nice Blu-ray drive, because I'm not going extreme anywhere else. But anyways, it's a nice, other than the Blu-ray drive, it's a nice, reasonable HTPC build that I would recommend for anyone. Again, except for the Ultra HD Blu-ray, I kind of just threw in that for the lulz because Ultra HD, man. But anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe as well. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one.